Rising salon operational costs, rent, utilities, and business expenses have increased, forcing salons to adjust their pricing. Inflation is affecting everything. The cost of goods and services, including beauty treatments, has risen due to global inflation. High-quality wax is expensive. Premium waxes, like hypoallergenic, vegan, and organic options, are more costly than traditional waxes. Skilled estheticians charge more. Experienced professionals require training and certification, which increases the cost of services. Demand for waxing services is higher. More people are opting for waxing over shaving or depilatory creams, leading to higher demand and pricing. Strict hygiene and sanitation standards. Post-pandemic regulations require salons to use disposable tools, sterilized equipment, and medical-grade disinfectants. Supply chain issues affect wax prices. The materials used in waxing, like resin, beeswax, and essential oils, have become more expensive due to supply chain disruptions. Waxing salons are offering luxury experiences. Some salons now provide spa-like treatments, aromatherapy, and personalized waxing services, increasing the cost. Laser hair removal is now a competitor. With laser hair removal becoming more affordable, salons are positioning waxing as a premium service. Advanced waxing techniques require training. Newer techniques, such as hard wax, sugaring, and sensitive skin waxing, require additional training for estheticians, leading to higher prices. Beauty trends set by influencers and celebrities. Social media has increased demand for Brazilian waxing, leading to premium pricing in trendy areas. Fewer discounted membership deals. Some salons used to offer discount packages or memberships, but many have discontinued these due to rising costs. The cost of waxing kits and supplies is increasing. Pre-wax oils, soothing lotions, and post-wax treatments have all become more expensive. Luxury ingredients in waxes. Some salons use waxes infused with charcoal, aloe vera, coconut oil, or CBD, which cost more. Customer preferences for private services. More people prefer one-on-one, private waxing sessions, which can drive up costs. Estheticians must renew licenses and certifications. Professionals are required to take ongoing training courses, which can impact pricing. Economic instability affects beauty services. Rising economic uncertainty means businesses are increasing prices to maintain profitability. The use of disposable waxing tools adds to costs. Many salons now use single-use applicators and gloves to maintain hygiene, adding to expenses. Hair growth cycles affect pricing. More frequent waxing means customers book more often, leading some salons to charge higher rates. The location of the salon matters. Salons in major cities or high-end areas tend to have higher prices compared to those in smaller towns. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.